Welcome to the Stories module, where you can record, preserve and share your most important life stories. Using photos, video and recording your own voice, stories are broken down into chapters to create your own digital autobiography. Let's start by creating your first story. When you create a new story, its privacy is set to public by default, meaning that everyone who you provide access to can see it. If you change the privacy to private, then only those who you provide admin access to can see it, but not those allocated as users. Enter the title for your story on this page. When you add chapters as you go, you will then give each one its own name, just like chapters in a traditional book. Here you can either continue to now add your chapters, or save the story title and come back to it later. When you do create your chapters, this is the page where you will enter all of the information and media for this chapter. You can save and come back to add or edit your chapters at any time, as long as you have given it a title. In the description box you can write about this event or subject in your life, to give context for those you share it with. You can also add a location and date to each chapter to create a timeline of your life. After you press on the location bar, you can start typing into the search bar and several options will appear for you. Selecting one of these options makes for much quicker entry, or you can continue to manually type if you prefer. On some devices you will also see a GPS icon to the left of the bar, which can bring up your current location to use. There are also two methods for you to choose from when adding a date. You can simply manually type the date in the traditional day, month, year format, or you can press on the calendar icon to find the date that you are looking for on the calendar. One of the real advantages of Capshul over other methods of legacy sharing and preservation is the ability to share both visual and audio media. By pressing this icon, you can add photos, videos and share your memories in your own voice as well. We'll start with photos. You can either use your camera to capture old physical photographs, or upload photos from your device's gallery. When uploading, you can either press on one photo at a time, or select multiple photos by holding down your finger on one and then selecting other photos as well. If you want to delete photos at any time, simply press the icon on the top right of that photo. Adding a video for your chapter is done the same way as adding photos. If you can't find the video you are after, your device will have a menu that you can go into to search in different folders. Once you have selected your video, it will appear here on the Create Chapter screen. You can then preview it if you wish, by pressing on the play icon. A really exciting feature is that you can add a voice recording straight into Capshul, and generations to come will be able to hear you tell your stories directly to them in your own voice. When you are ready, just press the microphone icon, allow access to Capshul and then talk directly into your phone to tell your stories.
School holidays were our favorite. Water fights, grass stains, and sticky icy poles. Laughter echoed through the whole house.
Press the stop icon when done, and then the tick to save. Prior to saving your chapter, you can also change the order in which your photos will display. Press the sort icon directly above the right-hand side of the photo grid. Then hold, drag, and drop your photos into the order that you would like them to display. When finished, press the sort icon again to save the new order. And then continue at the bottom of the page to save your chapter. Once you have added your stories and chapters, you can view them at any time like an interactive digital book. For each story with multiple chapters, you can scroll across with your finger to preview what's in the story. And scroll down to move through the list of stories. To experience a story, just press anywhere on the story card. This will open up the story, show you the chapters and see the media stored in each chapter. Scrolling down will move you through the chapters. Press on a chapter to open it up, and you will then be able to read, watch and listen to the memories within.
School holidays were our favorite. Laughter echoed through the whole house.
And that is the Stories module. Remember that you can watch the tutorial videos at any time, by going to the profile menu and then pressing Help.